Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So for example, this is the folder we are having a problem with. So this one. For example, we will take this folder, simply right click on it, select properties, then we need to go to security tab, then click on advanced options. Now click on change and go to advanced tab, and from here we need to click on find now. Now we need to find out our user. So in my system, this one is the user. I will select it and click on OK. Once done, click on OK. Now check this box, replace owner on the subcontainers and objects, and this one also, check this one also. Once done, click on apply, select S, select OK and click on OK. Now you can access this folder with no problem. That's it guys, your problem will be solved, you're good to go. You can also check out our pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively, a way better solution to fix this issue. And yeah, like the video and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.